Okay, now question 5. The solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square, x not 0, with y of 1 equal to 1 is what? Mean this is question for differential equation. Solve the differential equation. If you watch carefully your standard form differential equation given x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square just look like your linear differential equation. You convert in standard form. To divide by x you get dy by dx plus 2 by xy equal to x. You know standard differential equation in linear form is what? Dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x function of x. So here p of x is 2 by x and q of x is x. Okay, now this is linear differential equation. How we solve? By first finding integrating factor. We call it I dot f. IF means integrating factor. It is given by formula e raised to integration of px dx. Here px is 2 by x here. So put here e raised to integration 2 by x dx. And what integration of 2 by x? Obviously 2 outside and log x. And rules of log you apply, then log x square also you write. So e raised to log x square to the base e, which means it is x square. So integrating factor is x square. Now the method is to solve this equation, we multiply your given equation 1 by x square, that is by integrating factor. So what we get? X square dy by dx, here x square, then 1x cancel. So 2xy and here x cube. So left hand side we see nothing but derivative with respect to x of what? Y and into integrating factor. It is always. So check also whether it is right or not. By product rule of derivative apply and verify. X square here as it is, dy by dx, y as it is, and x square derivative 2x. Other side x cube as it is. Now derivative of x square y equal to x cube means integration of x cube is x square y. Reverse, you know integration and derivative reversible procedure. So that is why x square y is equal to integration x cube dx. X square y and integration x cube is x 4 by 4 plus arbitrary constant c. Now to find c you are given in data one clue that y of 1 is 1. It means whenever x1, y value 1. So let us substitute here x1, y1. So when I put x1, y1, 1 in left hand side, right side 1 by 4 plus c. And that is why you get c value 3 by 4. This c we replace in our number 2. So your original solution what? Yx square equal to x square by x 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Or you divide by y or divide by x square. So y will be what? X square by 4 plus 3 by 4x square. And that's why your solution option is D. Solution in D option. Now next example is example number 6. Read carefully. If a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 intersects the coordinate axis of at distinct points P and Q, then the locus of the midpoint of PQ bar is what? Out of 4 options, which one is true? So for that purpose, we first of all draw unit circle this way. That is center at 0, 0, radius 1. Then we suppose one point say x1, y1 at which we draw tangent to the circle and let it cuts x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. Agreed? Okay. Now what equation of tangent at x1, y1 to our circle? So for that purpose you remember the general equation of tangent. What? The general equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square with radius r. At x1, y1 is xx1 plus yy1 equal to r square. To use it, and here the equation of tangent at px1, y1 At the same circle, x square plus y square equal to 1. Instead of r square, here 1 means radius 1 given. So what that equation of tangent? Xx1 plus yy1 equal to r square means 1 square, that is 1. So this is your equation of tangent, that is tangent line PQ. Now, because of we assuming that this tangent line cuts x-axis at P, so P has y coordinate 0. To get its x coordinate, put put y0 in your equation of tangent. Ultimately, you get xx1 equal to 1 means x equal to 1 by x1. So the coordinates of P should be 1 by x1 0. Similarly, because of this tangent, we assuming cuts y-axis at Q, the x coordinate of Q 0. Put x 0, corresponding y value we get 1 by y1, and that's why coordinates of Q 0, 1 by y1. So in this manner we obtain coordinates of P and Q both. After getting it, our interest with midpoint of PQ segment. So let's coordinate of midpoint we find out. How? By average coordinates of P and Q. That technique you know. So here 1 by x1 0, here 0 1 by y1. So 1 by x1 plus 0 by 2 means 1 upon 2 x1. 0 plus 1 by y1 upon 2, therefore 1 upon 2 y1. So this way you get coordinates of midpoint of PQ. Now we assume for our convenience, let these coordinates be AB. When I say AB, it means A must be 1 by 2 x1, B must be 1 by 2y. In fact, x1 is 1 by 2a and y1 is 1 by 2b. Now because this x1 y1 coordinate point we are assuming on unit circle, it satisfies equation of circle. Therefore x1 square plus y1 square equal to 1, and at that point x1 value we put 1 by 2a, y1 value we put 1 by 2b. I get 1 by 4a square plus 1 by 4b square equal to 1, and therefore by simplifying a square plus b square minus 4a square b square equal to 0. So this is nothing but location of our point AB, but you know AB is nothing but midpoint of PQ. We are assuming its coordinate AB. In fact, this equation what we obtain is satisfy the equation what? X square plus y square minus 4x square y square equal to 0. Because if you substitute x is A, y is B, you can verify it satisfy. So what we see, it is the locus of midpoint of R, and that's why the correct answer is option B. Now come to the example number 7. See in 7 example what? Slope of a line passing through P23 and intersecting the line x plus y equal to 7 at a distance of 4 units from P is what? Means what is the slope of line L? This type of line we interest. Slope of line L passing through P23 and intersect this line, given line x plus y equal to 7 at Q, whose distance from P is 4, that is PQ distance 4. So how we proceed? We say suppose L be the required line passing through P23 and cuts given line x plus y equal to 7 at Q, whose distance from P is 4. Now because of Q point on given line x plus y equal to 7, we immediately write coordinates of Q. How? X, y we have to write coordinate. So you have to write coordinate of Q. For x is x you put, the y you can corresponding value find out from equation. Y should be 7 minus x. So x comma 7 minus x we assume as coordinate of Q because it satisfies your equation of line. And that is why x comma 7 by x we assume coordinates of Q, already given P23 and distance PQ4. So use distance formula. PQ square is what? 16. PQ square by distance formula you get x minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus x minus 3, that is 4 minus x whole square is 16. Now simplify this equation. So what you get? X square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. And by solving it, quadratic equation, you know formula how to write solution minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Use it, you get x is 3 plus or minus root 7. Check yourself. Coordinates of q, therefore x coordinate 3 plus or minus root 7, and substituting this x value in your y coordinate, 7 minus of this value, that is 4 minus plus root 7. Be careful here, plus minus, but here minus plus. Means whenever we take here plus sign, there is minus, minus then plus. So whatever these are possible coordinates of q. So now question for slope of PQ. The slope of PQ means slope of your line L. That slope of line L means what? Formula you know, y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 when 2 points given on line. So here 2 points known, P is known and this Q we obtain. So definitely y1, suppose I take 4 minus plus root 7, then minus 3, because y coordinate minus 3 for P. This y1 minus y2 upon x1 means 3 plus or minus root 7 minus 2. So this is slope. Look carefully. This, if you open bracket, you see 4 and minus 3 means 1 and plus minus plus root 7. Denominator see 3 and last one minus 2, therefore 1 plus or minus root 7. Means you get two possible slopes. 1 minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7. Second one 1 plus root 7 by 1 minus root 7. Whichever in solution, that you take mark. So obviously we see here 1 minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7 is the given slope. Other one is not given. So that number example 7 complete. Now we see 8 number.